क्वेश्चन आंसर सुनाना है।
Tick the correct option. For cooking the food we need.
वाटर।
In frying the food is cooked in.
ऑयल।
Cooking make that food.
बोथ ऑफ दीज।
Which of the following is cooked by baking?
बेकिंग केक।
Which of the following is cooked by frying?
समोसा।
In olden days, food was cooked on.
चूल्हाज।
Cutlet, pakora and kachori are.
फ्राइड फूड।
Idli, dokla and momos are.
स्टीम्ड फूड।
Steamed. Non-stick vessel have a special type of.
टेफ्लॉन कोस्टिंग।
Fill in the blanks. Cooking kills that dash present the food.
जर्म्स।
Cooking makes the food easy to dash, dash and dash.
डाइजेस्ट सॉफ्ट एंड टेस्टी।
In dash, the food is put in an oven or a fire.
रोस्टिंग।
In frying, the food is cooked in dash or dash.
हॉट फैट और लिक्विड।
Gas stove are more dash different than dash electric stove.
एनर्जी।
We use a variety of dash to cook the food.
वेसल्स।
Give two example of each. Two foods cooked by roasting.
रोस्टिंग। चीज मीट।
Two food cooked by baking.
बेकिंग केक और बन।
Two food cooked by steaming.
स्टीमिंग इडली एंड ढोकला।
Two food cooked by boiling.
बॉइलिंग पोटैटो एंड खीर।
Two food cooked by baking.
बेक
हाँ.
केक और बन।
Two foods cooked by frying.
पकौड़ा एंड समोसा।
Match the following. Samosa cutlet.
समोसा कटलेट फ्राइड फूड।
Dhokla idli.
ढोकला इडली स्टीम्ड।
Popcorn cheese.
रोस्टेड।
Pizza cake.
बेक्ड।
Rice. Kheer.
बॉइलिंग बॉइल्ड।
Thank you. Answer in one word phrase. What is the process of preparing food using heat called?
कुकिंग।
Why cooking food is important?
हेल्थ।
What is a good source of dietary fiber?
पोटैटो।
In this type of cooking food, put in an oven or over a fire.
रोस्टिंग।
Which type of vessel have Teflon coating?
टेफ्लॉन कोटिंग। नॉन स्टिकी।
Non-stick. Answer the following question. How is cooking food useful to us?
द प्रोसेस प्रिपेयरिंग फूड यूजिंग हीट इज कॉल्ड कुकिंग।
What are the various ways of cooking? Name.
नॉन स्टिकी वेसल्स हैव ए स्पेशल टेफ्लॉन कोस्टिंग।
What is the difference between roasting and steaming?
Some foods are cooked by roasting. Some foods are cooked by roasting. In roasting, the food put on an oven or a fire on a fire. No liquid it is used for. Some foods are cooked by steaming. Some foods are cooked by steaming. In steaming steams from boiling water. It is allowed to reach the food in the pot, and the food is not immersed in the water.
What is the difference between boiling and baking?
Some foods are cooked by boiling. In boiling the water, in boiling the food is put into the water, is immersed in heat to until the boils. Some foods are cooked by baking, or some foods are cooked by baking. In baking, the food is cooked in ovens without extra liquid, fat or liquid.
Name some vessels used in cooking.
Vessels. Varieties of vessels are used for cooking different types of food.
Why do different kind of family prefer different kind of stoves?
different people use different type of stoves for their cooking. The types of stove used for on in family on depends on the place economic status and occupation of family.